Today's video is all about my winter skincare routine. Winter hit hard and fast and my skin changed quickly, and it definitely, it has been wreaking some havoc. So I want to go over my daytime skincare routine, my body skincare routine, as well as my nighttime skincare routine, because it is all changed up. And I also have some products that I've been loving to target specific issues. Now, if you have eczema, psoriasis, things like that, some of these products would be perfect for you for winter. I personally have an autoimmune disease that creates skincare problems that are similar, but they are not exactly eczema or psoriasis or anything like that. But I do get a lot of skin issues during the winter time. So let's get into this. One thing I do change during the wintertime is I do not wash my face with a face wash in the morning. No cleansers whatsoever. I have been loving, which is almost an empty, which terrifies me. It's the 111 Skin Repair Serum, the NACY2. The reason why I love this is because this is an anti-aging product that does not irritate my already irritated, dry, maturing skin. Okay, and fine lines and wrinkles are definitely a part of my concern. I'm 37 years old and I love that this is an actual anti-aging, minimizes fine lines and wrinkles serum, but it's not drying. So many serums like that claim these claims, they're drying or have retinol in them and things like that, and I can't, my skin can't handle it in the winter. So I've been loving this 111 Skin Serum. Next, I will go in with a moisturizer that I've been loving with the serum. Again, it is 111 Skin. I know this stuff is so pricey, but I've seen such a difference in my skin since using these products, so I have to talk about them, and they are just wonderful for wintertime. Anytime, but these two products right now with the dryness, absolutely wonderful. Is the Repair Day Cream, NACY2. It helps with dryness, irritation, sensitivity, redness, and laxity lines as well. These two products, they claim stop the clock or rewind the clock or whatever. I feel like it has helped so much with my fine lines and wrinkles, especially like around my smile lines. These two together are quite the powerhouse. This is refillable, so there's no waste and that kind of thing, which is nice. We can talk about skincare and good skincare all day long for dry skin, aging skin, mature skin, all of our problems. One thing that is an absolute must, people with acne, scarring, dark spots, is a good skincare device. That's why I want to talk about today's sponsor, ZIIP. ZIIP has been sponsoring my videos for quite some time now. The ZIIP Halo is the main reason I feel like my skin looks so much younger than actually 37-year-old skin. Plus, you can use my code ZIIPMallory for 10% off on all ZIIP gels and the ZIIP Halo. This makes the perfect gift for the holidays. Literally backed by science, 97% of users saw immediate lifting and firming. Wrinkles were minimized by 28%. Plumpness was up by 27%, and spots reduced by 62%. We're talking dark spots. And I've been using my ZIIP Halo now for 2 weeks, and my dark spots, which I've been getting strange little breakouts on my cheeks that have been leaving dark spots because my skin is aging, and that's just the facts. It has really helped brighten my skin. I laid off using my ZIIP Halo for a bit since I just made another big move across the country, and I'm so glad I picked up using it again because I've seen such a major difference in my skin. Also, a really cool thing about the ZIIP Halo is it comes with an app, and they added 8 new treatments to it. Just download the app, choose your treatment, follow the tutorial, and get your results. You will see it lifting and firming absolutely immediately, and you will see massive results within just 2 weeks of using the ZIIP Halo. The gel I'm using today is the ZIIP Electric Complex Gel, which is their core formula gel. They also have gels if you want to further your skincare benefits. I love using the app along with my ZIIP Halo. I do like to just freely do a quick lift. I've mastered a lot of the techniques. I've been using the ZIIP Halo now for years, but it's so fun to get on the app and choose what treatment that you want to use and see those results like basically instantly. And it's also very calming, soothing. It gives you a sense of you're taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your skin, and you just look so much better. Like I said earlier in the video, today I have no foundation on. I have bronzer, a touch of concealer under my eyes and under my nose from redness. My nose has been running, it's the winter time, and that's it. This is my skin after using the ZIIP Halo for 2 weeks consistently. Also, I want to mention every treatment uses a different waveform, so truly when I say that these treatments are customizable, they are truly customizable because they all use different waveforms for each treatment. My results, I feel, speak for themselves. Please check out the ZIIP Halo. Again, my code is ZIIP Mallory, 10% off on all ZIIP gels and the ZIIP Halo. I'll have that link below. Check it out. I know a lot of you have purchased these over the years since I have been talking about ZIIP Halo, and I know that you love it too. Link below, discount code ZIIP Mallory for 10% off on all the ZIIP gels and the ZIIP Halo. An eye cream. The eye cream that I love switching over to during the wintertime is the Jones Road eye cream. I love this little eye cream. It is so thick and moisturizing, but it's like, oh, I'm almost out of this. Yeah, I'm almost out of this. It's really wonderful under concealer, especially for aging skin, mature skin. This under concealer makes your concealer look so glowy, but it doesn't crease or cake. Like, look. I just have the Makeup Forever HD Skin Concealer on today. And I love the Jones Road eye cream for makeup prep, but as well as just like a nice, really hydrating eye cream. It's thick, but not too thick, and it's not greasy, and it doesn't break up your makeup. Obviously, Bobbi Brown creates beautiful products. She's not gonna create something that's gonna break up your makeup. She is the queen makeup artist. The lip treatment that I love. I already loved this summer, but I'm loving it now that it's gotten very cold and it's actually currently snowing outside. The Outset Lip Oasis, just the clear. I love the other shades. Like, I have this shade in my desk drawer just like as a daily pick-me-up. That one's a little messy. This is Sun Kiss. It's just like a nice peachy, vibrant peach, but the clear, like I just have M Cosmetics Kitten on. I love this because it moisturizes right over lip liners and also lipsticks, and it gives you like such a high shine without breaking up pigmentation on your lips. I love it. It's got a nice scent to it. It's not overwhelming. It's just like a little sweet kind of girly scent, but not fragrance in your mouth. You know, that's one thing I do appreciate, and it doesn't taste like anything. So that's another thing that really irritates me about lip treatments is when you can taste them all day long. Let's talk about a daily moisturizer. I mentioned how I get skin irritation, skin issues from an autoimmune disease. I have neurological Behçet's disease, which creates a lot of skin issues. I will get rashes and things like that. So my daily moisturizer that I'm actually almost out of, that I have been loving, I think I have like this much left. It's Prequel's Barrier Therapy Skin Protectant Cream for face and body. This stuff on my face, like I'll get those immune rashes, especially like through here, like the butterfly rash, right? Or I'll get them on my forehead. This has been wonderful for those times where I can't take something that is like a skincare treatment, that's something that might treat and target areas. This has been wonderful for my face. Does not break me out, but I love it for my all over skin. It helps keep me moisturized, and anytime I have skin irritation, it really soothes pretty instantly. This is for dry skin and itchiness plus eczema. So if you have eczema, you're gonna love this. Now let's talk about like spot treating some areas on the body. One thing that I've been loving, because when I work out, I'll sweat in my leggings and I'll get, you know, like some pimples on my little butt, okay? Thing that turns it all around. Now, I don't recommend putting this on like really irritated areas, just kind of bumps and irritation. This is In Beauty's Body Bright and Smooth, visibly reduced hyperpigmentation and roughy bump texture. It has AHA and BHA, vitamin C, and tranexamic acid. It really works. It calms any skin irritations like from sweat and clothes rubbing. So imagine if you're, you know, layered up out in the cold and then you get that little pimples or little bumps or whatever. This helps tremendously. Another body skincare like treatment, if you have eczema, this is actually specifically for eczema, but if you also struggle with irritation on your skin from wintertime, dry weather, or you are someone with an autoimmune disease that it can create, you know, spots and irritation. Like right now I have a bit of a, you can't see it because I got tattoos, but I have some irritation on my chest that I've been putting this on, and it has helped so much. This is Skin Fix's Eczema Dermatitis Relief Balm. This is also for face and body. I feel when I get the rash on my face, this also helps, especially when it starts to get a little more than what the Prequel can handle. I need something a little extra if it starts cracking and like bleeding, honestly. I love this for that specifically. For someone who struggles with eczema, psoriasis, things like that, really bad spots on your skin that you need like a spot treatment to help heal and calm, you will love the Skin Fix Dermatitis Relief Balm. I keep this in my purse. Like, this is something that comes along with me throughout the entire day, just in case I might be feeling a little extra irritated. Also, another thing is I have a lot of sensory issues. I always have. So if my skin starts to feel bad, like under my clothes, exactly, you gotta go for rides here. My skin starts to feel irritated under my clothes, I will reach for this, go to the bathroom somewhere, apply it, and I feel so much better. Instant relief. So this right here, absolute godsend. Quickly, I want to go over my favorite hand cream because my hands get so dry during the winter, especially I lift weights, so I get bad calluses, and those get extremely dry and extremely painful, and sometimes will crack and bleed, and then it makes it really hard to work out. So my favorite hand cream, which it has been my favorite for years, is the L'Occitane hand cream for dry skin. This is the dry skin hand cream. It smells so good. I love like a powdery hand lotion. It just reminds me of like being a kid and my grandmother putting on hand lotion. It's not old lady, but it definitely has a more mature, sweet, powdery scent, but I really enjoy it, and I notice such a difference when I apply this. Now, I keep this by my bedside, but I have a small one that goes in my purse. And anytime I apply this, I do get compliments on the way I smell. So, I mean, it is a pleasant smell. It seems like it's pretty pleasant. You can see she is very loved. I need to get the key. You know what I mean? Like the key that they have and you roll up, that kind of thing. That's what I need to get. Nighttime skincare musts for me when it is wintertime and cold and dry. They're upset about it. My skincare routine at night when it becomes wintertime is so simple. Take my makeup off. I love the Clinique Take the Day Off. This is such a good balm. Like, it takes off all of my makeup. Oh God, we're getting low on that too. But it also, I feel like gives me, it leaves me with a little moisture. I do not use a face wash during the winter, especially right now. My skin is very irritated, very dry. I will just use the Take the Day Off, and that's it. And warm water, dry my face, and it leaves me with a nice kind of sealed moisture. Love this. I love the Take the Day Off. I just recently started using this, and I love it. I usually use the Elemis cleansing balm. Versed has a great cleansing balm, but this right here, I've just been really enjoying. Unscented, takes everything off. All of my mascara is waterproof, tubing, non-waterproof, whatever. Beautiful for taking everything off. And this is the only other product that I will use at night because we do a little bit of a skincare treatment during the day with the 111 Skin. At night, I want it simple. It'll either be castor oil or this, and I have been reaching for this. This is the Outset Restorative Niacinamide Night Cream. This is thick, okay? This is a thick formula. I love it. It moisturizes my skin so beautifully, and I apply it to my neck and my face. And one thing I love that Scarlett Johansson created the Outset for was for very sensitive skin, like skin issues, skin that's sensitive, skin that gets red and irritated by other products. The Outset really has, I know it's another celebrity skincare line, but I love even like the daytime products, love those. I love this, I love the lip products. I can tell if someone was sensitive, breakout prone, irritable skin, that her products, the Outset's products, really do make a difference. She really cornered the market on the very sensitive skin people out there. Body at night, especially for like my feet and things, I have been loving. I already went through the body oil, okay, from this brand. The Mother Body Butter for nighttime. This stuff, now listen, a little goes a long way. I'm actually running pretty low on this, but oh my gosh, a little goes a long way. If you're not familiar with like real body butters, like this is thick. You have to actually warm the product up to put it on. Like you have to warm the product up. It's not a scoop and then, and go. You gotta warm it up melt it into your hands, and then massage it into your skin, and you just get like, look how glowy, gorgeous. And I love this for nighttime. I also love this for, you know, actually when I wear shorts and stuff, but for winter time, for my feet and my legs, I love putting this on and then putting like long sleeve, long legged pajamas and letting my body marinate in the mother's body butter. Oh, it is so, so good. Look how glowy my hand is. And I don't feel greasy. I just feel moisturized, and it doesn't feel like it gets everywhere. Again, I've tried other body butters, and like I said, I'm someone with sensory issues, and this one does not bother me. I absolutely love it. I love the body oil too. Just used all of that though. So that is my skincare routine for wintertime, from body to treatments to face to all of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and share with us if you have certain skincare issues, what you use during the wintertime, because it can be pretty miserable. I mean, it can be very irritating and actually miserable, especially with those of us who have skin issues. So if you haven't tried any of these products before, I think you'll really like them. If you have sensitive, breakout prone, irritated, irritable skin, you will really enjoy these, especially those of you who have eczema, psoriasis, autoimmune issues. These are beautiful for all of those things. I will have everything that I talked about linked below, as well as the ZIIP Halo, discount code ZIIP Mallory. That's that on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share your skincare tips in the comments. I will see you guys in the next one. Happy taking care of your skin during this harsh winter.